How to make money on people per hour as a data analyst. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners that visit the platform every day in order to search for freelancers to do gigs for them or jobs or to hire them for projects. And as you can see in here, access global talent on the freelancer website trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to search for a data analyst, I would just go to the search, enter the freelancer or the skill I'm searching for, click on the search, and I will be able to see all of the freelancers that are doing or the freelancers that can do this skill, and then I'm going to choose one of them based on the price, the description, the profile, and everything else. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of people doing this skill and they're getting paid different amounts of money. This one gets paid $50 per hour, $60 per hour, 35 and $250, $80, $100, 135. So as I said, the price varies from one another, but it's all about how they operate, the skill they do, and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile as well, like those people, to showcase your skills to the business owners as well. So let's go back to the main page, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email and my password, and then login. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first step is to drop a profile picture. Then you proceed to drop in a job title. As you can see, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can go with data analyst. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start typing. Let's start with data, and here we have data entry, research, analysis, data scraping, business data, database, database management, visualization, science, encoding, extraction. Let's go with data entry, and I think that's all. Then we proceed to the about you section. So guys, in this section, you're going to describe yourself to buyers, and in this section, it's where you're going to try to convince the business owners to buy or to hire you besides the others. So in order to make a great or a decent description for your profile, the method I like to use personally is going back to the search and searching for the freelancers or my competitors and checking their descriptions, getting inspiration from their descriptions, seeing what they are doing right, what they are doing wrong, and all of those stuff. So let's go back to the search. Click on search freelancers. and here we're going to enter the skill we're searching for, data analyst. Then click on search, and here click on all offers. No offers, we will need to remove one. Let's go with data analysis. So here, those are the freelancers that are doing this skill. So let's check this one: do statistical analysis and significance testing in SPSS or R. Develop a professional bespoke Excel application with VBA. Produce high quality data research or market research. Analyze research using SPSS or R and provide a report. Let's check this one. So he's got 73 sales and he's from the top search in the platform, ranked in top 0.5% of people per hour. So this man is getting a lot of money, and look how much he's getting paid, $250 per hour. So let's check his description. And this is a good description just from looking at it. It's not very long, it's short and brief, and also well organized, as you can see. Several years of experience in the field of statistics and data analysis, currently working as an assistant lecturer at Cairo University, Egypt. Have worked with more than 100 clients during my career as a freelance data analyst. Fields of interest include but are not limited to survey data analysis, biostatistics, public health, psychology, and education. I have also published or contributed to the data analysis of research manuscripts in various fields such as nutrition and genetics. I have excellent command of ABM, SPSS, and AMOS, RGSP, and Stata. I can provide a variety of services that include but are not limited to data mining. So here he's listing all of the services or the skills that he can do. So this is a great inspiration, guys. And when you're done with getting inspiration, when you're ready to change your profile, just go to the button in your top right, click on it, click on profile, and click on edit. And here you'll be able to change everything about your profile. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.